Distinguish between the following: prostomium and peristomium, septal nephridium and pharyngeal nephridium. So students, here are two options. We need to learn the differences between these two. The first one is prostomium and peristomium. Now these terms comes under the mouthparts in the earthworm. So here we can see the prostomium. So this enlarged portion is a prostomium. Here we can see this outer one. So these are the prostomium. They are small fleshy lobe. They are fleshy in nature. They are overhangings from the mouth. So this is a mouth. From the mouth it has been hanging outside or protruding outside. So the function of this prostomium is it helps the organism push itself in the soil. Since earthworms are dwelling in the soil, they live in the soil. So to move into the soil, they use this prostomium. It helps in the movement and they help in sensory function. So they help in sensing the environment. So all the changes which occurs in the internal environment will be detected by the prostomium. Whereas peristomium, so there is slight difference in the term with the spelling. So pro and peri. So peristomium is the first body segment in the earthworm. So the first body segment, so after the mouth parts, so this is the first body segment. So this first body segment is called peristomium and it is surrounding the mouth opening. So these are the differences. Prostomium is a fleshy lobe which is protruding from the mouth. It helps the earthworm to push itself in the soil for the movement and it detects the changes in its surrounding. Whereas peristomium is the first segment in the earthworm and this segment surrounds the opening of the mouth. So these are the differences between prostomium and peristomium. Next one is the septal nephridia and the pharyngeal nephridium. So these septal and pharyngeal nephridium, they are the excretory organs present in the earthworm. So earthworm has got three pairs of nephridia. They are integumentary nephridia, pharyngeal nephridia and the septal nephridia. The function of nephridia is all the same. They help in removing the excess ions. It regulates the body fluid and it removes the nitrogenous metabolic waste. Now, based on the location where they are present, they have been classified into different types. Now, coming to the septal nephridia. So, these septal nephridia, they are present on the either side of the intersegmental septa. They are located on the either sides of the intersegmental septa behind the 15th segment. On the behind the 15th segment, we can see a three pair of septal nephridia. They are present on the either side of the internal segmental septa. And this nephridia opens into the intestine. So, this is the intestine. So, the nephridia opens into the intestine. Whereas pharyngeal nephridium. So, these are the pharyngeal nephridium. Three pairs of pharyngeal nephridium are present on the 4th, 5th and 6th segments. So, they also function the same thing. They help in removal of the nitrogenous metabolic waste. They help in regulating the body fluids and the ions. So, they open into the body surface. So, these are the difference between septal nephridia and pharyngeal nephridia. So, in this question, we learned the differences between prostomium and peristomium, septal nephridium and pharyngeal nephridium.